on October 3rd of 2022. This was the altcoin doctor channel, this channel right here. We made a video about the Bitcoin rainbow indicator, or the R model, which we have been using. As you can see, prices was exactly at the $16,000 level. We said this could be the bottom according to our R model. And as you can see, just few years later, that was exactly the bottom right here for the Bitcoin price chart. Since then, we have used this model to basically predict the monthly price action for Bitcoin, and we have been correct since then, right? And usually after the halving, we usually see a few months of consolidation. Same thing, it happened after the first halving. We saw 2 months of consolidation, then we saw a massive bull run. We saw the same thing happen in the second halving. We saw about 4 to 5 months of consolidation, and then we saw a massive bull run. We saw the same thing happen in the third halving. We saw 5 to 6 months also of consolidation, and then a massive bull run. We have been saying that we were expecting few months of consolidation right here for the crypto market before we see that massive bull run. And we said anything from April to July / August could be that consolidation period for the crypto market. Hence, the price prediction for June or July of 2024. So the price prediction for July of 2024 still is based on the fact that we could continue to see this price action, and then in August / September we could see a push to the upside for the crypto market. I would be showing you more reasons why you should expect furthermore sideways action for this coin. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So today we are going to be looking at the price prediction right here for AXS for July of 2024, right? And one of the things we have been seeing right here, like we said in the introduction, that after every halving, we usually see few months of consolidation before the massive bull run. Same thing, few months of consolidation before that bull run. So basically right here for July, we expect consolidation in the crypto market, including AXS, right? If we just draw our Fibonacci price prediction tool right here, top to bottom, as you can see, we basically have been consolidating right here throughout, right? So basically what we're expecting for July is more consolidation before we see that massive breakout to the upside. And the target right here for AXS, which we're expecting, the minimum we are expecting is the 0.618, which is currently at the $102 level. So as you can see, usually we see a massive push after every halving, and we have just completed the halving, so we could see the massive bull run coming soon, right? So expect another massive push to the upside right here for AXS, but for July we could see this just consolidate probably till August, September, where we could see that push to the upside. All right, so that's the update right here on AXS for July. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.